Discover cutting-edge pharma innovations at CPHI and PMEC India 2024, showcasing advanced formulations and sustainable solutions shaping the industry's future.
Trade fairs like CPHI are one of my favorite in the world. I personally thank all the organizers of CPHI worldwide and India for putting up such a great show.
The way everything is organized, specifically the application, it's really useful. You see in the application they have mentioned everything like the categories, the countries, so everything is great.
It's actually been great, surprising how big India has grown in this segment. We have the biggest clients from Brazil, they are here, which was the reason I came, and we got to meet all the major suppliers from India.
And I have to say I really appreciated the combination of PMEC and CPHI, because people can both talk to the final users. At least for us, we are supplier of equipment.
And our entire team is so very excited that we bring to you this absolutely brilliant evening at India Pharma Awards 2024.
It's a huge honor to be recognized as Startup of the Year by Indian Pharma Awards 2024.
Informative, engagement,
full of opportunities,
engaging,
Mind-blowing.
See you next year.